Hi, my name is Tasha McFarland, owner of Faces by Tosh. My spa is located in Columbia, South Carolina, and today I want to show you why I chose Zemits. The current machine that I currently have is the Zemits Verstand Pro. I love all of the different modalities that's on one device that can help my clients achieve their skin goals. So let's get to it and let me show you some of my favorite modalities. Alright guys, so here we have it, the Zemits Verstand Pro. This is the device that I have. I love it because it has so many different modalities, and let's talk about those modalities right now. So the first one is the ultrasound, and they have two probes, one for the face, and then you also have one for under the eye area. That's really great for those who are concerned with pigmentation up underneath the eyes. Then you have your microcurrent, and you also have different probes that you can swap out. So you have all of these options with your microcurrent, and then of course you have the gloves to go along with it. Then you have your mesotherapy, you have your microdermabrasion, and this also doubles to swap out for your vacuum suction. So with your vacuum suction, you have these two probes that you can swap out. Then you also have your skin scrubber, the ultrasonic skin scrubber. And then last but not least, your radio frequency. So I love this machine because I can do so many different treatments with one machine. I don't have to swap out. I can just turn this on, make my selection, make the adjustments, hit start, set a timer, and go. So hopefully this is something that you want to incorporate into your spa. If you like having all of these modalities on one device, then make sure you grab the Verstand Pro.